Why do we need a smart home video doorbell? And why are they all expensive? You buy one, and then you realize you need a monthly subscription just to see your own footage. You drill hole in the wall, and then the battery, it dies right after someone is at your doorstep. So when I was sent this XTU J9 Plus 2K video doorbell, I thought, let's see if this is affordable, if it is subscription free, and also see if it has what it takes to compete with the big guys. The idea of a video doorbell sounds very great. Security, convenience, smart home vibes. But in reality, you often end up paying £3 to £10 a month just to store your own videos in the cloud. And if you're renting, drilling holes is not an option. Or worse, you install it and after a few weeks, the battery is dead again. And that's why I find this very interesting. The XTU J9 Plus, it's wireless, it mounts easily with adhesive, it records in 2K HD, and best of all, no subscription required. It has a micro SD card slot built in so your footage stays local and private. And the price? It's just a fraction of what the popular brands cost. The setup was surprisingly quick. Not really required, no complex wiring, just mount it using the adhesive or the included bracket, connect it through the app, and then you are good to go. It connects via Wi-Fi, it gives you an instant alert, and you can talk to whoever is at the door through the two-way audio. The video quality is very great, and that 2K resolution definitely shows. The night vision is way better than I expected. It's not perfect because it doesn't have that deep ecosystem like Ring or like Nest, but the trade-off is you are not tied to any monthly subscription or dependent on cloud servers. You charge it once and then it lasts you for several weeks, although it depends on your usage. And then when it is time to recharge, you plug in your USB and no special adapters required. The pros are no subscription fee, you have 2K HD video, it's easy to set up, not really required, local storage with SD card, and affordable price. The cons are the app could be simpler, slight delay on notifications, and not fully integrated with all smart home platforms. So who is this device for? I would say if you are tired of monthly subscription fee, you want some privacy, and then you want something simple and reliable, then this device is worth considering. If you're really deep into Google or Ring ecosystem, then this device is not for you. But for everyday user, for renter, for budget-conscious people or budget-conscious buyer, then the XTU J9 Plus, it's a sweet spot. Thanks to XTU for sending me this device, and as always, the video is my honest opinion. And then if you've been sitting on the fence about getting a video doorbell, then the XTU J9 Plus might be a device to consider. I'll put a link to purchase this device in the description box, and if you found this video useful or impactful, like the video, put a comment, subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next one.